Well, it's a Friday afternoon and had a late start for a long ride this weekend, and traffic is already crazy in Bangalore, plus it's kind of warm, so I'm kind of baking. But anyway, we have to ride, and Deepak had some commitments, so we're starting late. So welcome you all back to my channel once again. First big ride on my Transalp, doing coastal and Uttara Karanataka, a bit of Uttara Karnataka. Probably will do joke falls. Stay tuned as we ride on the Explore Karnataka series once again. This is the Monsoon Ride. So day one of our ride, we're riding from Bangalore all the way to Chikkamangaluru. The Silver Sky Resort is where we're staying, and I'm doing a small gig there. I have to pay for a bunch of doctors, and then from there we're riding further up to coastal Karnataka. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Stay tuned for the Monsoon Ride. Heavy traffic here in Gurguntepalya. Got to take a U-turn here and get on the highway, the elevated expressway. Elevated highway actually. It's about 240 kilometers to the resort. It's showing 4 hours. So we should do it a little faster than 4 hours. 4 hours 15 minutes, maybe 3 hours 45 minutes. I'm guessing we should be able to do it. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned, people, for an exciting ride today to Chikkamangaluru on the Monsoon Ride. Heavy crosswinds here on Hassan Road. The bike is literally getting slapped left and right. Let's do a quick top speed run on the highway and check how the Transalp performs on a straight highway. Check this out. This is where I did my top speed on the 390 also. But today the crosswinds are crazy top crosswinds. I'm not sure how the bike pulls.
Well, as usual, I would always say stay in nature, be around nature, explore nature. Nature has cure for all your problems. Nature is our world. We come from nature and go back to nature. Stay outdoors, enjoy this beautiful nature of ours. Mother Earth is so beautiful. And always know that it's so important for us to get all our nutrients, vitamins, proteins, all from around nature itself.
Speeds on the roads around Bangalore is because of crosswinds. The bike is struggling a bit. Can pass 200 very easily, but the crosswinds are slowing it down. I remember in my 390 coming back from Goa, it was struggling to even reach 150 because of the crosswinds. So quick lunch stop here at Empire, just before Hassan. This is the Empire. Become a big brand, the Empire Hotels, on all highways now. So showing about 2 hours from here to reach to our venue in Chikkamangaluru. nice. They have a charging point here, Empire. I couldn't figure out which one, but there is one charging point just before Hassan, the Empire. Beautiful weather this afternoon here on Hassan Highway. The time right now, it's about 4 p.m. and very cloudy, not much of sun, so you don't really feel the pinch of the heat. It's a typical monsoon weather, so stay tuned as we ride towards the mountains, the Western Ghats. Check out the black clouds, like it's threatening to break open. Beautiful. Sun is totally hidden there up. So we're very close to Hassan right now. I think just crossed the last toll when you're coming from Bangalore to Hassan. That was the last toll. I think we should be about 2 kilometers from Hassan. So they're making one more new flyover here. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Well, the first rain of the ride. This is the Monsoon Ride and we are in the monsoons. Thank God to my new riding gear, the Tai Chi all-weather gear. I think I'm pretty much sorted in this rain, except my shoes. I think I forgot to put the pants over the shoes or put it inside the shoes. I'm not sure if anything drips into my shoes. Let's hope this is not a heavy rain. It's right now a very light rain. If it gets much heavier, then I would stop and put it inside, put it over my shoe. It's already inside my shoe. So monsoons this year across Asia, Southeast Asia Pacific has been really good. India, most of the states are washed out, literally. Kerala, a lot of landslides, as you must have heard. Assam, Mizoram, Northeast also got a lot of heavy rains. Himachal Pradesh, there were landslides, and now it's hit Bangladesh, Tibet, China, Pakistan too. Gotten pretty heavy now. Whoa, that was crazy. A splash from the car came straight onto my face, and this guy slowed down drastically. Some idiotic driver. I had to literally jam my brakes. So we just, if you noticed, I've just passed Hassan and approaching Belur right now. So the mountains are approaching soon. That's the reason the clouds gets stagnated when there are hills and mountains around. Rains are more generally in the hills. So hitting the Western Ghats during monsoons is going to be fun, a lot of fun. Wow, check that out. Beautiful. I don't know whether it's captured on the GoPro, but the clouds are literally ground level. We should come to the Western Ghats during the monsoons if you're around Bangalore. For a biker and not doing the Western Ghats during the monsoon in the rains, they're truly missing out something. So there's been heavy rains, I think, on this road. We just got into it now. That hill totally covered by clouds overlooking this beautiful lake. What a sight. I would have definitely flown my drone if I had the time, but since I have to rush today, I'm just going to go non-stop to Chikkamangaluru. I have to be there by 5. It's almost 5. Will be late. So this is Chikkamangaluru, the Malnad areas of Karnataka. The hills and the mountains, the Western Ghats. Beautiful weather always in Chikkamangaluru, except maybe 1 month of summer. Throughout the year they are blessed with some amazing weather. Lot of rains, land of coffee. If you like coffee, you should definitely come to Chikkamangaluru. It's a very big district. So from here, Sringeri is 98, Hornad 102, Kudremukha 118. We're going towards Kudremukha tomorrow, as we're going to hit the coast from there. Check out the beautiful Chikkamangaluru hills. All the clouds lying on the hills. Check that out, so beautiful. Namma Karnatakada hemme Chikkamangaluru. One of the most beautiful districts here in Karnataka. Evergreen, so full of life, lot of flora and fauna. I always feel happy coming to Chikkamangaluru. So this is where we're going to be staying for tonight. Chikkamangaluru, beautiful coffee lands, and the monsoon weather makes it more wow. I always do a monsoon ride every year. I think I missed it last year. No, I think I did it last year. I'm not sure. I went in 80 for a crazy monsoon ride. No, the year before. Last year I think I missed the monsoon ride. This year I wanted to do the monsoon ride, but being busy with work, somehow managed to squeeze this little time along with work. So it's work come holiday. This particular ride. lot of homestays here in Chikkamangaluru, and all the homestays have business. So many people coming from around Bangalore to these homestays. So I'm not sure if I'll continue the log. I'll put a glimpse of what we are doing later. But anyway, thank you for watching this day 1 of our monsoon ride exploring Karanataka. Hope to see you on day 2 as we do more of riding. From Chikkamangaluru we head towards the coast. Stay tuned for that. More exciting days coming up ahead as we raid the Western Ghats. Thank you once again for watching. Hope to see you around very soon on my next one. Until then, it's sayonara, adios and goodbye. Only?